Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video basically to do one English speaking practice, and so in this video basically I'm going to share one experience which I've lived, and so that is what I'm going to share, because currently today I didn't find out some sort of suitable cue card for speaking in this video. So I feel like I need to share experience because experience are easy to share. So let's jump into this video. So it was a time around like last 2 to 3 months back when I visited to my hometown, and over there I basically went to basically my hometown by public transport. And I find that in India, if you are traveling from like train or buses, you will find there is lot more cheaper comparison to like other countries, but the experience over there is very pathetic, you can say. And if you are basically specifically if you are traveling in general, because there lots of people basically traveling to different cities, I find out like there is too much rush and over basically populated in that particular train as well. So yeah, this is the thing which I found very interesting, and something basically there are lots of people who are doing some sort of problem solving, and they do need to basically find out some sort of answer, because there are a lot of people who are commuting right day to day basis, and they also want to basically spend some sort of money, but they do not basically want that much of a stressful life. Like I feel like there are a lot of people who are traveling 1 to 2 hours to go to their work, and yeah. So I basically got to know like 2 hours in a one way and 2 hours in going to the home. So total hours is 4. So like 4 hours very stressful if you not get any kind of seat, and there's too much of suffocation you will feel. So this happens, and I just went to one day, and I think probably there are a lot of startups which are thinking to basically solve the problem. There are a lot of people who just competing with others with the same product, same team, or same some sort of plans. So we need to basically what we say brainstorm and finding out the problems which is most important. The bigger the problem is, the better the chances of basically people get to the answer. So yeah, I just basically want to basically solve the problem which is most important nowadays. If you are running a startup or you want to basically start a startup, so this is the thing which I found out, and I think probably there are a lot of people who have think that because nobody is thinking of basically a person who is daily commuter, or you can say a person who didn't have too much of money but still he want to basically do that. And so like that, if I talk about like in YouTube as well, there are a lot of people want to speak but they do have a fear. So if they watch my videos, and they can basically build the confidence, and they can also start speaking from the day when they watch this video. So that is how basically I think basically, and I got this idea that I should need to basically start uploading the video on the YouTube channel, so that I encourage people who want to basically improve their communication skills. So this is a very a great way I feel like. And in nowadays upcoming days there is a lot of competition, or you can say lot of things. The AI will going to replace it, but if you do have a problem solving mind, so you are at the top always. So I feel like there is too much of knowledge which I've said in this video. Particularly I just see my videos as a basically English speaker, because I feel like in the video basically there is not some sort of things which I basically do by steps, right? So on these videos, that is it. Bye bye, have a good day.